Nadi astrology. If you hear the word Nadi astrology, means everybody easily understand that some thumb impression you want to give, the people will take some kind of leaves, palm leaves, and they will read about your future. So the Nadi astrology is not only that kind of astrology. The Nadi means the technique. The word Nadi literally translated as a technique of methods or a new style of method. The essence of astrology the people are taking from the Vedic astrology, learning the Vedic astrology vastly and deeply, then they are simplifying the method of Vedic astrology into the efficient technique that is called Nadi astrology. So the sages called Agastya, Brihu, Narada, and Kashyapa, and so many sages are created their own style of astrology that is called Nadi astrology. So the sages' style are called in their own name, like Agastya Nadi, Brihu Nadi, and Brahaspati Nadi, like that. So fundamentally, the style of astrology can be followed by their disciples, and the disciples will keep the name of their guru on the Nadi system. It can be any technique. Like some person is coming to an astrologer, that astrologer is seeing their body and they are creating a horoscope using their body structure and predicting their life. Some will take some kind of a part of hair and creating the horoscope and they can predict. That can be a technique. And if you go to the astrologer and using the breathing pattern or your heartbeat pattern, they can create some kind of horoscope and they predict your future. That also can be a technique or the Nadi. So the Nadi means the technique or a system. In the olden days, the rishis are found a similarity between the thumb impressions, or we can say the thumb lines, along with the horoscope. The horoscope patterns are having some kind of similarity patterns with the thumbs, because the thumb is unique. One person will not have the same pattern of thumb like other people. That is what even in the modern days the people are using the thumb as a unique code, like a passwords. But in the olden days, the rishis are found the possibilities of thumbs as a pattern. So you can see, if you take a closer watch of your thumb, you can see there is a seed kind of a very inner part, and over to that there is a lot of lines around, and there will be a shape of the thumb like that. So the rishis are synthesized this pattern into the 4 lines, like a 4 codes. The inner part and the outer shades of the lines and the overall size of the pattern, then the shape of the thumb. That is the 4 conditions they created. Each condition given number from the 0 to 9. So the 0 to 9 is the numbers of each patterns. So what happens, like they are created a digital index from the 0 to 9 as a 4-digit number from 0000 to 99999. So 10,000 combinations they are created as a pattern, and they interpreted, or we can say from the pattern of 00001, it has certain kind of a planetary position. Then 00001 have one certain kind of planetary position. Like that, they wrote down all the patterns, 10,000 patterns in the palm leaves. So someone comes into the particular astrologer, they will take the impression of thumb and they will decode the index number of the digiting index number of the thumb. In that thumb, if for example someone is getting number 1380, so they will go to the index of the 1380 into their library. In the library they will have 10,000 palm leaves, or we can say a book, 10,000 books. In that 10,000 books they will go to the index 1380 and they took that palm and they will start reading about the what written there. So that will be the future or the past or the full life diagram of the particular person. So this is the one of the Nadi technique, like receiving the thumb impression and decoding the life. So that is the one technique. So Agastya made this technique, and even the Shuka Maharishi made this technique. So many people made kind of this kind of interpretation using the thumb. So that is called the indexing methodology of Nadi. There is some kind of Nadis are there. If you go, they will check your height and the shape of the body using the Anga Sastra. They will create a horoscope that will be exactly matched with your birth horoscope. Through that, they will predict your future. Some kind of Nadis are there. You can give a part of your body, like a nails or the hair or the part of the skin, then immediately they will create a one big horoscope interpreting or from the reference what you're given through the hair or the nails. So that is also the particular part is created by the Kalidasa. And he also given a lot of good astrological books like Uttrakala Mirda and something. In the Anga Sastra, he was very powerful. Through the Anga Sastra, he created this astrological method, essence of astrological method. Once they created the horoscope, then the interpretation and predicting method will be the similar like a traditional astrology. Only the simplifying the possibilities, because olden days there is no computers and something. So patternizing the thumbs will be easy to bring back the birth horoscope of the person. So this is the kind of a techniques is called Nadi astrology. Apart from that, there is a kind of Nadi astrologies are there, like Chaya Nadi, which we are teaching to the all, which is created by the Satyacharya in 600 years before. So this all the kind of knowledge or Nadi knowledge are there in India. Some Nadis are used nakshatras, some Nadis will not use the nakshatras, some called Meena Nadi, some called Chandra Kala Nadi. These all very, very deep and powerful Nadi techniques are exist in India. So some part of Nadi called Jiva Nadi. The Jiva Nadi means the living Nadi. Jiva means the life or the living one. So the Jiva Nadi means the Jiva Nadi astrologer will have some kind of a palm leaves in the hand. Using the Mandra Siddhi, they can able to read a palm leaf which is not written there. So through the Mandra Siddhi, the life of the person will appear there like in a display unit, and the life of the particular person will be read by the palm leaf of the Jiva Nadi reader. So the living Nadi means that Jiva means the life will appear into the like a screen, like a television screen in the palm leaf or the blank space. So the particular sadhanas was there for the Jiva Nadi reader. They will read and they will attain such a level. So that will be non-scientific method of Nadis. So there is a scientific method of Nadis and non-scientific method. Non-scientific means above scientific method. Everybody can't attain, that is called non-scientific or above scientific method. It's called Vijnana. And Vijnana means that selective part anybody can learn and they can apply. That is called Vijnana methods. So mostly the Vijnana methods of Nadis are there and it is transmitted by the several people, still it is alive. The Jiva Nadi, like Vijnana methods are limited. Some people only learning, not all. So anyhow, wonderful techniques of Nadis like Kashiba Nadi, Lagna Nadi, Chaya Nadi, so many Nadi methods are taught in Pranavapidam. I bow down to all the sages who given the wonderful knowledge of Nadi to us.